So I just ordered the Tears of the Kingdom Switch from Best Buy, and I cannot wait to play that big Fantasy Sandbox, The Legend of Zelda, Tears of the Kingdom. Hi, my name is Amy Vishwanatha, and you are watching Techie Housewife. The Tears of the Kingdom Switch is gorgeous. From what I've seen of it, and maybe I'm biased, but this is the best looking special edition Switch I have ever seen. My only complaint at this point is that the Switch itself does not come with the game. That's kind of a bummer, but because of how good it is, I guess I can manage. So, as you've most likely heard, Nintendo dropped 10 minutes of gameplay for The Legend of Zelda's Tears of the Kingdom, and it was pretty amazing. I already adore Breath of the Wild and the crazy fun things I can do in that game, but in Tears of the Kingdom, forget thousands of recipes for food. Start thinking about what kind of weapon you can create, or if you want to build a boat for the lake or something that flies. I mean, you literally can create recipes for weapons, or create something useful by fusing objects together. You can even create homing weapons using bad eyes. It's going to be tons of content just crafting weapons. It's going to be fun, hilarious, strategic, and extremely creative. If you can imagine something, you can probably create it in this game. So basically, it's going to be a big fantasy sandbox. As good as Breath of the Wild was, they are going above and beyond to create something even better, which I didn't think possible. And that really makes me a little nervous because if you remember how Mario Maker kind of ended 2D gaming because of all the awesome levels that were created, you know, like it kind of reached the max. So it was almost like Nintendo decided not to make 2D Mario games anymore after that. So I'm thinking that Tears of Heaven looks so awesome from just 10 minutes of the gameplay. How are they going to top that? Are they just going to end Zelda with this? The rational side of me says no, they'll figure out a way to outdo themselves again. But the irrational side of me just isn't sure. Where are they going to go from here? How are they going to make it better? But one thing I do realize, and you may or may not agree with me on this, when it comes to innovation, Nintendo is the best. This was just a glimpse into Tears of the Kingdom. It was pretty stinking cool, and it makes me wonder what we didn't get to see. It makes me wonder what we get to discover for ourselves once we are able to play the game. Nintendo already said that there's going to be new abilities for Link, and I'm super curious. Will I start with all my previous abilities and runes, or will the runes be the same ones with a couple of new ones, or just completely all new runes? Well, while I don't have all the answers to those questions, one thing I do know is that I just can't wait to get this game and play it on my special edition Switch. It's going to be just fantastic, and it's going to be a pretty awesome anniversary gift as well. Yes, it releases on our anniversary. So just an FYI, I did pre-order my Tears of the Kingdom Switch from Best Buy, and at the time I'm making this video, they are still taking the pre-order. So I will link that in the description below in case you want to pre-order from there. That is all I have for today. If you have enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and as always, have a game-tastic day.